I will find their convenience during course of the day and deliberate on the issue. To greet members and also to greet them in advance for their birthdays. Honorable members, pleased to extend advance greetings to honorable members of Parliament, Shri Dhairyashil Mohan Patil and Shri Ravi Chandra Vadiraju. Their birthdays are tomorrow. Shri Sanjay Singh, and Dr. Sasmit Patra. Day after tomorrow. Shri Dhairyashil Mohan Patil has been a member of Rajya Sabha since August 2024. The name says it all. Dhairyashil Mohan. He had also been a member of Maharashtra Legislative Assembly for 2 consecutive terms, 2009-2014, 2014-2019. His late father, Sri Mohan Damodar Patil, served as Maharashtra's State Minister and was a 5-time member of Maharashtra Legislative Assembly until 2004, representing Pen constituency in Raigad district. Shri Dhairyashil Mohan Patil is married to Shrimati Nilima Dhairyashil Patil, and the couple is blessed with daughters Sai Dhairyashil Patil and Jai Dhairyashil Patil. Shri Ravi Chandra Vadiraju is currently serving his 2nd term in Rajya Sabha since April 2024. He is popularly known as Gayatri Ravi after his famous industrial venture, the Gayatri Group, that has made stellar contributions in granite industry and known for his philanthropic activities. He has played a pivotal role in promoting the Samaka Sarka Jatara, a significant Adivasi tribal festival in Telangana, attracting millions. His commitment to nationalism and patriotism shines through his significant contributions to national monuments, including the 370-ton black granite stone for Delhi's National Police Memorial and the 300-ton granite stone for Subhash Chandra Bose statue at India Gate. As the national president of Suman Shotokan Karate Sports Academy and the president of Khama District Judo Association, he has played and continues to play a pivotal role in promoting sports in Telangana. Married to Shrimati Vadiraju Vijay Lakshmi, the couple is blessed with son Vadiraju Sai Nikhil Chandra and daughter Ganga Bhavani. Shri Sanjay Singh, currently serving his 2nd term in the Council of States since January 2024. A prominent leader of the Aam Aadmi Party, he has championed continually the cause of workers' rights inside the House as also outside. His deep involvement in environmental movements such as cleansing and cleaning of Gomti River reflects his deep commitment to public welfare and ecological preservation. The House will bear with me and bear out. He is a gifted speaker, a prolific speaker, a powerful voice, and leader of AAP Legislative Party in the Council of States since July 2024. Married to Srimati Anita Singh and blessed with son Utkarsh and daughter Ishita, the family leads simple life under the gaze of his caring parents, who reflect all through sublimity. Dr. Sasmit Patra. Currently in his second term in the Rajya Sabha since July 2022, a respected teacher, committed educationist, and highly regarded legal consultant. Dr. Patra brings convergence of knowledge and experience to this House. He is actively involved in various parliamentary committees with a deep commitment to social causes. He is also engaged in cultural and educational initiatives, many of which are futuristic and innovative, particularly amongst slum dwellers, scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and minorities. He has been actively representing the Indian Parliament and widely accredited for that in the Inter-Parliamentary Union Assemblies. Dr. Sasmit Patra co-drafted a resolution on the impact of artificial intelligence on democracy and human rights, which was adopted by the IPU, a rare commendation by the global institution. He was also appointed as one of the 3 rapporteurs for a resolution on supporting victims of illegal international adoption, set to be discussed at the 150th IPU Assembly and presented at the 151. Married to Dr. Sweta Millicent Paul, the couple is blessed with son Siddharth Patra and daughter Sneha Seron Patra. Honorable members, on my behalf and that of the members of the House, I wish them a long, healthy and prosperous life and extend greetings to their family members and friends. Papers to be laid on the table. Shri Jitin Prasad.